This is a video to show you how to terminate a Cat 6 end or Cat 6 plug. Take the stripping tool and strip off the outer plastic sleeve. Separate out the inner cable cores. Cutting out the central plastic divider. Start to untwist the cable core pairs. Ensure they are as straight as possible. The order should be for 568B. First, white and orange. Second, solid orange. Third, white and green. Fourth, solid blue. Fifth, white and blue. Sixth, solid green. Seventh, white and brown. Eighth, solid brown. Straighten them together in order. Cut a straight edge with 1 to 2 inches of slack. Feed into the plug with the tab facing down. Cut off any spare cable. Adjust so cable lines up to end. Use crimping tool to squeeze together the plug and create termination. Double check, cores are still in correct order. For